In this month's drive-by from Condo Sidekick, we're going to take a look at Coppersmith Village, which is a condo and apartment complex near the waterfront in East Boston, Massachusetts. The structure is really taking form, so let's go take a look. You are looking at the progress being made at Coppersmith Village in East Boston. We're starting out at the corner of Liverpool and Decatur, and we're walking down Liverpool South. We're currently seeing the 15 units townhomes which will be available for purchase. 8 of the units are allocated for affordable housing. Each one is 3 stories and has 3 bedrooms. They also each have parking and a balcony in the rear. So we're currently looking at the front, so on the other side we'll have the balconies. This location is near the Maverick station and it's on the waterfront, so commuting is easy by car or by T. It's also near Central Square in East Boston. But as you can see, the development is progressing pretty well. The siding is up, or siding is being put up right now. And in the foreground, you can see the other part of Coppersmith Village. And we're going to take another look here in a second from a different viewpoint. Now we're on Coppersmith Way, and to the right are the townhomes, and to the left are the apartments, which we just saw in the foreground earlier. So this building that we're looking at on the left will have 56 rental units and 41 are allocated for affordable housing. This building is 5 stories. It's actually going to be 2 buildings, each 5 stories, and each with 28 units. They'll be connected at the ground floor by a lobby, and we'll have garage parking at the ground level as well. So you can see that they have balconies with water views. There's going to be a common roof deck for the residents, which will have great views of Charlestown and Boston and the harbor. So this building has 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units, so it's very flexible in its design for a family of any size. So now we're going to go and just take a quick look at the view of Charlestown and the harbor. So this is what you would see from Coppersmith Village.